Started with a spark, a question, a dream. One lab, one light, now we're a team. We tested, we proved, we rose each day. 20 years later, we're leading the way. In the heart of a city with science in hand, we stood for safety, we took a stand. From food to water, from air to ground, truth in every sample we found. Built brick by brick, not just with skill, but with sleepless nights and unshakable will. Failures taught us, people shaped us. The fire in our purpose always raised us. And when the world said stop, we said try. We reached for the stars and flew sky high. Now every Equinoxian knows the name, 'cause we didn't just work, we changed the game. We are the fire, we are the flame. 20 years strong and we're still in the game. From every floor to every lab light, we shine through the dark, we rise and fight. This is our time, our legacy. We're building the future of safety. Hand in hand, we carry the flame. We are Equinox, remember the name. From 5 to 1500, we grew our pride. 85,000 voices by our side. Clients we serve, problems we solve. Through every storm we evolve. Compliance, care, and quality high. With every badge, we reach the sky. Now AI in our tools, the cloud in our hands. We're writing the future with bold new plans. Here's to the ones who gave their all. To those who stood, to those who fall. To the laughter, the chaos, the midnight calls. We remember, we honor, we stand tall. We are the fire, we are the flame. 20 years strong and we're changing the game. With every breakthrough, every bullfight, we keep the world safe, we do what's right. This is our time, our legacy. We're building the future of safety. Hand in hand, we carry the flame. We are Equinox, remember the name. Mid-tempo verse. We are the fire. We are the fire. We change the game.